Hi, I want to show you how to flow more with your yoga practice today. So we're going to start on hands and knees, and we're just going to start by bringing the hands up, and we're going to come down, and as we come down, start to guide the chest in and up and back. We're going into cat and cow here. Come forward and go back, round the back, bring the pelvis back, go forward, round, drop the belly as you go forward, and then round. And now let's see if we can make this a little more flowy for the other things too. So we're gonna lift our right arm and we're just gonna flow it a little bit forward and back, forward and back. Flow it forward and back. And now take your right hip back too. Wonderful. Let's try the other arm, forward and back. Take your hip with it. Forward and back. Forward and back. Forward and back. Bringing everything back with you. That's great. Let's go back into cat and cow. We come back as we round the back, and then we drop the belly forward. Let's bring the hands out a little bit further, and we'll start to come down and drop the belly all the way down and look up. And to come out of this to flow, let's bring the pelvis up, but let's start to round the back just a little bit and come back down, down, drop the pelvis up. Pelvis, back, head, down, drop the pelvis up. Pelvis, middle, head. And then come all the way back down to down, upward facing dog. And from this pose, just shift your weight back and forth with the hands, and that will start to turn your pelvis. Can you lift one arm? Turning the pelvis, lifting one arm. Let's come to downward dog, and let's have the arms go out really wide now. Start to bend the elbows and come back up. And now once again, shift from side to side, this time with your elbows. So elbows go side to side, they're very wide. Elbows side to side. And now let's see if we can bring the hands up too and the chest. And now reach with one hand and the other. Almost like you're holding a ball and you want to turn it. Can you turn it all the way around? Come back to upward facing dog. Pause here, breathe for a minute, drop your belly. Release the muscles in the buttocks and the legs. And now let's just start to bend the head as the pelvis comes up. Head goes down, pelvis comes up, and then you do the opposite. Head comes down, pelvis up onto knees. Opposite, back down. Let's start to really round into that shape. And then come back out. And let's go on our toes. And now we're gonna push into one foot and start to roll the hip and the other. You can still use your hands here. Let's roll the hip so much that we come all the way onto our side. Use your hands for balance. And now go into downward facing dog, and just notice if it's any easier. From here, let's start to bend the elbows, go down, come into upward facing dog that way. And notice how you feel. One more time, back to downward. And if you like, you can start to come up. I hope that gave you some more flow in your yoga practice. Thank you for joining me.